Okay, this one, start here. Look and see, what is it we're trying to find? And then let's think about how can we get there. Okay? Look at what we have. Put it into the of notation, right? Write it as f of g of minus 2. Okay? How do you get f of g of minus 2? You have to get g of minus 2, right? And when you get g of minus 2, then find f of that. You remember these pictures? I'm going to do this one for you, Nasla and Jem. You said go back to the beginning, right? Remember how this works? What's happening? Minus 2 goes where? Into function g. What's that produce? G of minus 2. That output then gets used as input in the other function to produce output. What do we have here? This is function f, the outside. So now f of g of minus 2. Okay? We have the g rule. We have the g rule. Can we get g of minus 2?
Yes.
Yes, we can. We just put negative 2 into g. What does g do? Takes input, multiplies by 2, adds 1. What's g of 10? 2 times 10 plus 1. What's g of negative 2? 2 times negative 2 plus 1. Okay, so on the inside here we have 2 times negative 2 plus 1. What's that? Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 3. We want f of minus 3. Now, in order to find f of minus 3, we of course need to know what is f of x, right? That's where this information comes in. Just think of this as an equation where one of the variables is f of x, right? This is get all f of x's to one side of the equation, and things with no f of x's go to the other side. This normal algebra here, right? Yeah. We have to distribute. Okay? So what do we got? X times 3. 3x minus x times f of x. Like this. X times f of x. You see? Equals f of x plus 2. Alright, now, pieces that have f of x's send to one side, pieces that don't send to the other. So how about like this? Let's take this minus f of x, send it over here. So we have f of x. This one comes over as plus x f of x. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay? Equals 3x, and the plus 2 has to go to the other side. So the minus 2. Okay? Now, what are we going to do? We've got to get this out of here. There's 2 of them, and I want 1. What do I got to do?
Parentheses.
Yeah, it's parentheses. Factor it out. Factor it out like this. F of x comes out. What's inside? So that if I do this, I get that.
X plus 1.
Okay, 1 comes first, right? 1 times f of x is f of x plus x. Like that. Okay? Equals 3x minus 2. Now divide both sides by 1 plus x. Alright? And so those are going to cancel. I have f of x. I have the f rule. 3x minus 2 over 1 plus x. Was it easy now to get f of minus 3?
Yes.
Real easy. Just plug it in. Okay? So f of minus 3 would be what? 3 times minus 3 minus 9 minus 2 over 1 plus minus 3. Or 1 minus 3. Sorry, I'm coming over here. What do we got? Minus 11 over negative 2. Positive 11 over 2.
Yeah.
That's the answer to the problem.
Yeah.